Tata Relics is a big iron manufacturing company. It's located in Kharagpur. It had come to our campus for recruitment on August 21st, I guess. It consisted of an online test, first of all. It comprised of an aptitude question as well as a tech question. There were some cutoffs, I can't remember right now, but the aptitude was on the average side, whereas the technical was it comprised both of easy questions as well as a bit hard questions on the conceptual side. And then it was open for three branches: mechanical, electrical, and metallurgy, out of which 75 students from these three branches were selected for further rounds, that is GD and interview. So in GD, there were five groups consisting of 15 members each. So I was in the first group, and my topic was values and ethics in company environment. So I said for, and I put in my views. And after the GD, there were roughly 15 or 16 students were selected from the GD round. And then after 15 or 16 students were selected, we were given a written round. That is, we had to write an essay. And the topic of the essay was, I guess, your biggest achievement till date. And it was not an elimination round, it was just a written round. They just wanted to check our English. And then afterwards, there was an interview round. The interview was basically an HR round, because they weren't asking any tech questions. The only tech questions they asked me about was my training, where I did my training, and what I learned in my training. Apart from that, pretty much everything was HR, consisting of how many members are there in my family, what did my father do, what does my father do. Interview lasted for like 10 to 15 minutes. And lastly, I want to say about the interview was that be truthful about yourself. Don't make any false statements, otherwise they will catch you. And in the GD, be loud and clear. The technical consisted of basically technical. They check the technical background in the online test itself, I think, because the technical consisted of from electrical point of view, it consisted of from it had every subject that we had been taught, like control, power electronics, machines, and even digital electronics were there. So pretty much it consisted of all the things that we had studied till sixth semester. So pretty much we had to have a good background, a sound background on these basic and conceptual theories of whatever subjects we have been taught till now.